Get out of here. I sneezed on him. I literally sneezed on Sonic the Hedgehog. Not everyone can say that they did that. But Jet can. Jet can say that he did it.
Oh, God.
I sneezed on Sonic the Hedgehog, everyone! Can you believe that? I think I'm the only one who actually got away with that.
And freaking that big freaking penguin dude's like, oh yeah, boss, I could believe it, yeah, boss.
Here's the playback footage on my phone. See?
Oh,
I went,
man.
achoo! And then Sonic just kind of stopped racing after that.